Yeah, hello students. How are you? I hope you all are well. Students, today we will learn chapter number 12. Chapter number 12, that is data handling. So students, in this chapter we are going to study about data. So students, we will learn about collecting and recording data and making list. Okay, let's start the chapter. Write the numbers of items of each kind in the given below. Just see, there are many items. Now count the numbers, write the numbers of items each kind in the given table. Now flowers, see 1, 2, there are 2 flowers. Now ice creams 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ice creams are there. Now apple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples are there. Now caps 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now stars 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars. Now balloon 1, 2, 3. 3 balloons are there. Okay. Now which is the greatest collection? So ice cream. Ice cream is the greatest collection. Now, which is the smallest? Flower. सबसे कम किसके पास है class? Flowers. So we will write flower. Now, what is the number of balloons? So 3. Now, how many ice creams are more than the apples in numbers? Class, there is 6 apple and 8 ice creams. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 ice creams more than apples. Now, collecting and the recording data. Collecting and recording data. Class, data is a set of information in the form of numerical facts. Data handling is to collect, arrange. हम क्या करते हैं? डेटा हैंडलिंग में कलेक्ट करते हैं, अरेंज करते हैं एंड यूज द इंफॉर्मेशन रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम द डेटा. See class, this is a vegetable shop. This is a grocer. Vegetable seller. The vegetable seller has many vegetables. उसके पास many vegetables है. For selling, look at the vegetable and find out what the different vegetables are there. Count and write class. Yes class, vegetable, number of vegetables. Tomato 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 tomatoes are there. Now radish 1, 2, 3, 4. Brinjal 1, 2, 3, 4. Pumpkin, there are 2 pumpkins. Understand? Now class, there are 5 radish class. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, tomato 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Radish 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Brinjal 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pumpkin 1, 2. Okay, now come on the exercise 12.1. Look at the picture and answer the questions given below. Now, class, this is a picture. See the picture. Question number 1. Count the shapes in the picture and write their number. Now class, circle. Count the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squares. Now triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay class. Now see class. Question number 2. Answer these questions. Which shape is the most in number? So triangle is most in number. Now which shape is the least in number? Least? Square. Which are less circles or square, how many less? Which are less? So, which are less? Circle or square? So, square is less. Square. Square is less. How many less? 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. 1 less. Now, which are more rectangles or triangles? How many more? Which are more? So, triangle are more. Triangle. How many? 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. 7 more triangles. Now, how many total? How many shapes in total are there in the picture? How many shapes in total are there? So, we will add them. 6 plus 6 plus 5 plus 13. So, how many? 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 30. 30. How many shapes are there? 30 shapes are there. Now class, making list. Making list. We can read and understand information from a data. We can read कर सकते हैं हम, understand information from the data and make a list. And list बना सकते हैं हम by making a list of things we have. We can always count them again wherever needed and keep them safely. हमें always count कर सकते हैं them again wherever, जब हमें उसकी जरूरत होगी, keep them safely. Okay class, I hope you all have understood very well. Now class, your chapter is complete. Prepare it very well and we will meet you in next class. Thank you.